the first map. Let's go look over here. Oh, pulled his knife out. Oh, what's his buddy got out? It's a forfeit on that one. Let's end this. Select film. First map. Do. I wonder if they used it right at the beginning of this map too. Probably did. I know they did at one point.
I know at the end though, boy brought his out.
Yeah, I bet. I know he did, but I want to see if he used it right at the beginning again. I'll go right to him.
No. Switch to the other guy. Oh.
God, y'all got here at like 1 or 1:30, didn't you guys?
Yeah.
Round two. Alright, well, let's just go to where that guy had his at. Start. I think I just seen it. Yep.
He just drew it.
More. Can you fast forward any faster than this?
You just gotta hold right trigger.
Alright.
Get to it.
I'm just gonna watch him next round too.
Cause I know it's like the last death.
Yeah, the very last kill he does.
Or somewhere around there. Yeah, the very last kill, ain't it?
Are you recording a video right now?
Yeah.
We'll look for the very last kill. Oh, I think I just switched it right there. No,
He was going to.
no, he didn't switch. Never mind. Oh, hold on, just seen it. What the fuck? It would right when I'm about to do this too.
Factor IP.
No shit. Must be signed in Xbox. Let me just fucking redo it. I'm keeping the same video.
Fuck it.
I ain't redoing it.
Got 3 hours to get it in.
Yeah, I don't feel like redoing that whole shit.
He said hacked your IP.
They knew it.
Motherfucker, it's
They
your
knew.
IP. It ain't-
They knew what I was doing. They knew that they bullshitted on it. Recent games. Let's go back. Can't believe I could go all the way back.
It's gonna be hard as fuck to put this ticket in.
Yeah.
And I put the link of the video in it.
3:45, 3 minutes video right now. It's gonna take longer to upload since it's longer. I'm just going straight to the old boy. I seen him pull it out because I looked down here and it said combat knife. The bottom right corner. I seen him pull it out like 3 times, but. Okay. Show him the. Alright. I'm zooming in real quick. I think it's coming up right here. Not this one, next one. Here it comes up here. So run back. Right there it is. Let's see it. Combat knife. Back again. God, I can't get it to where it was. There. Combat knife will come out. Combat knife. Oh, there it was. Game over.